we will guide you through how to create rectangle in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting AutoCAD from the Start menu. Start a new drawing by clicking New, or open an existing drawing where you want to create a rectangle. Go to the Home tab and locate the Draw panel. Click Rectangle in the Draw panel to start the Rectangle command. You can also type Rectang in the command line and press Enter to activate the same command. Click the first corner where you want the rectangle to begin. Move your cursor diagonally toward the location of the opposite corner. Then click again to complete the rectangle. If you need the rectangle to have an exact size, type D in the command line and press Enter to access the Dimensions option. Enter the required length and press Enter. Then enter the required width and press Enter. Move your cursor to choose the direction of the rectangle. Then click to place it in the selected location. Select the completed rectangle and open the Properties panel if you want to review information such as its dimensions, layer, color, or line type. Use the Move command whenever you need to reposition the rectangle without changing its size or shape. If you need another rectangle with identical dimensions, use the Copy command to duplicate the original object quickly. Use the Offset command to create another rectangle inside or outside the original by specifying a precise offset distance. Finally, use the Dim command to add dimensions that clearly display the rectangle's length and width for reference or printing. Review the completed rectangle to confirm that its size, position, and dimensions meet your drawing requirements before continuing with additional drafting tasks. Save your drawing by pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed rectangle for future editing.